A good day. In this video, you will learn how to perform the different operation on fractions. So this is just simply a recall or a review. First is adding and subtracting with the same denominator. So kapag pareho ang denominator, kayo po ay nag-a-add or nagma-minus, simply kopyahin lang ang denominator, yung common denominator sa ilalim, and then add or subtract only your numerator. So if we are to add 9 and negative 5, so nag-add tayo ng integers, magkaiba ng sign, so ima-minus, kopyahin ang sign ng mas malaking number. That will give you positive 4 over 11. Next, we have 12 over 15 minus 8 over 15. So you have the same denominator, so you copy, subtract your numerator. 12 minus 8 will give you 4. So your answer here is simply 4 over 15. Now, in adding or subtracting fraction with different denominator, so mapapansin that on the first example, 3/4 plus 1/5, they have different denominator. So we can apply here this method, what we called butterfly method. First, you have to get the product of this 3 and 5, that will give you 15. Product of 1 and 4, that will give you 4. And the product of your denominators, which is 4 and 5. And that will give you 20. So simply add your numerator. 15 plus 4 will give you 19. So therefore, the answer here is simply 19 over 20. Next example, we have 2 over 5 minus 5 over 6. So again, they have different denominator. We can apply here this butterfly method. So 2 times 6 is 12. 5 times 5 is 25. All over 5 minus 6 will give you 30. So we are subtracting integers now. Since the operation here is minus, so you have to apply here the keep, change rule. So if you have to subtract 12 and 25, that will give you negative 13 over 30. Okay, next we have the multiplication of fraction. This is simply multiply your numerator to your numerator, denominator to your denominator. So 3 times 2 will give you 6, and 7 times 5 will give you 35. So this is the product of the given fraction. How about the second example? We have negative 2 over 5 times 5 over 6. Negative 2 times 5 will give you negative 10, and 5 times 6 will give you 30. Now, 10 and 30 can all still reduce to its simplest form by getting their greatest common factor, which is 10. So, negative 10 divided by 10 is equal to negative 1, and 30 divided by 10 will give you 3. So, therefore, the product reciprocal, which is 3 over 2. And then, from division, we are now to apply the rule on how we multiply. So, it's the same. Numerator to your numerator, that will give you 24. Denominator to your denominator, that will give you 22. So, they have their GCF, or we can still reduce it to its simplest form. So, you have 2 as the GCF. So 24 divides 2 is 12, and 22 divides 2 is 11. So therefore, here is your final answer. Again, to summarize, if you are to add and subtract your fraction with the same denominator, copy the common denominator and then add or subtract your numerator. If we are adding or subtracting fraction with different denominator, we can apply here the butterfly method. And in multiplying, we just simply multiply numerator to our numerator, denominator to denominator. Take note that you have to simplify always your final answer to its simplest form. Then in dividing fraction, we have to get first the reciprocal of your second fraction, and then let's apply the rule on how to multiply. So that's all. Thank you.